In today's video, I am going to teach you how to chat with a YouTube video in NotebookLM. To begin, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Once the page loads, sign in if you need to and wait for the main dashboard to appear. This dashboard is where you create and manage your notebooks, which are the workspaces NotebookLM uses to organize your sources and your chat. Next, create a fresh notebook. On the dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This opens a new notebook where you can bring in your material. Think of this notebook as the place where you will collect your sources, ask questions, and save anything important. Now it is time to add your YouTube video as a source. In the pop-up window, choose the option for YouTube sources. Select the video you want to use so NotebookLM can load it into the source panel on the left side of the screen. Give it a moment to populate. When the video appears in that left panel, you have confirmed that it is ready to reference. A helpful tip here is to make sure you are choosing the exact video you want, because NotebookLM will use that source for citations. With your source loaded, move to the chat panel in the center of the screen. This is where the real interaction happens. Type a clear question about the video, then send it. NotebookLM will generate an answer based on the YouTube source, and it will include clickable citations. Those citations are important because they let you jump back to the specific part of the source that supports the response. At this point, you are effectively talking with the YouTube video, using the transcript and content as the knowledge base. When you get a useful answer, you can save it for later. Click Save to note on the response, and it will be stored in your notes within the notebook. This is great for building a study guide, gathering quotes, or keeping a running summary. Finally, look to the Studio panel on the right side. From here, you can generate instant outputs by selecting Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview. Choose the format you want, and NotebookLM will create that output from your sources and your work in the notebook. That covers everything you need to know.